Gago!
So, how to edit daw gamit ang gitara. So, mag-edit ka ng video na kumakanta ka sa gitara. So, para maganda yung editing system mo, siguro una, syempre kakantahin mo siya sa isang lugar na kung saan hindi maingay, like sa loob ng CR or any place na basta walang may noise cancellation. Kasi kapag kumakanta ka sa gitara, after a while biglang nagsisigawan yung kapitbahay mo nga, "Peste na tayo sa kagigang gabi." So papasok siya sa music video mo. So 3-part specials ang pag-edit ng isang awitin gamit ang gitara. So first part is you have to sing the song sa isang lugar na tahimik. Second is, kailangan mo siyang tirahin na gamit kasi sa akin, isang cellphone lang eh. So, 2 cellphone partida. Pero, the video will be using one cellphone para makita mo kung gaano siya ka matikuloso sa pag-edit. So, isang cellphone, we are going to edit a song, a guitar song, tapos, ito ang tawag ko na, I'm calling this one na 3-angle session. So, first angle is yung plucking ng gitara, tsaka yung kamay mo. Second angle is yung distant, pero wag kang mag-alala kasi naka-overlap naman yung original na awitin. So, pakita din natin kung paano siya i-edit. And third part ng frame is yung sa gilid, para makita naman ang strumming ng kamay mo. So, ganito siya. Ang kinaganda kasi kapag naka-triangle, like nasa kamay mo, nasa likuran ng gitara, kasi every time na magkakamali ka, tatapakan mo lang siya ng drone shots, kahit pwede mong i-overlay. So, ganito siya kapag natapos mo siya ng straight out. So, Oasis, Stand By Me. Made a meal and throw it up on Sunday, yeah. Got a lot of things to learn. Said that I believe in one day now, before my heart starts to burn. So what's the matter with you? Sing me something new. Don't you know the cold and wind, the rain don't know, they only seem to come and go away. Things are hard when life has got no meaning now. Found a key upon the floor. Maybe you and I may not believe in the things we find behind the door. So what's the matter with you? Sing me something new. Don't you know the cold and wind, the rain don't know, they only seem to come and go away.